Hello students, how are you? Hope every one of you is fit and fine at your homes. Students, I am your maths teacher Mrs. Monica Sharma from California Public School. Today we are going to start our next chapter, and the name of that chapter is subtraction, and this is the chapter number 3. The name of this chapter is subtraction. Students, see the spellings of the word subtraction. SUBTRACTION. This is subtraction. Yes, you should also take care of the spellings. So now let's start. Firstly, what is the subtraction? Subtraction means when we take away something from a group of things. जब हमारे पास बहुत सी चीज़ें हों और हम उन चीज़ों में से कुछ एक चीज़ों को साइड पे कर दें, निकाल दें, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड सब्ट्रैक्शन. क्योंकि उस ग्रुप में फिर वो चीज़ें कम रह जाएंगी, लेस हो जाएंगी, माइनस हो जाएंगी. यस, सो हियर आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू सम की वर्ड्स दोज आर यूज्ड इन द सब्ट्रैक्शन. Yes, subtraction means minus, and this is the symbol of the subtraction. Yes, minus, take away, left, less than, how much more, how many are left. These are the main keywords used for, these are the keywords used for subtraction. Means whenever these words are there, it means there is subtraction. There is subtraction. Yes, friends, now for the subtraction, as already you have done this concept in class 2, yes, let's recall that what you have done. For example, 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3. Minus means we have to do subtraction. If 7 objects are there and 3 are taken away from that, then how many are left? 7 minus 3. Yes, as we can also count these on the fingers. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, up to here 7, and 1 2 3 3 are subtracted, then how many are left? After 3 we have to count again. 1 2 3 4, that how many are left? 4. This is a single digit subtraction. Whenever there are the two digit, for example 27 minus 13, then how to do this subtraction? Firstly, we are going to write the places, ones, tens. Yes, and here like this we will do the subtraction. Yes, here 7 minus 3. Firstly, we will do the subtraction from the ones place digits. Always we are going to start the subtraction from the ones place. Yes, the ones place digit are subtracted. Firstly, 7 minus 3. When 7 and minus 3 will be done, then what we will get? We will get 4. Yes, and 2 minus 1. Now tens place digits are 2 and 1. We will do subtraction of these. 2 minus 1, it is 1. Yes, now students, from this sum I want to tell you the terms used for subtraction. The terms which are used for the subtraction. The number that is written on the top means, firstly the number that is written, that is called minuend. This number is called minuend. Yes, the number which is subtracted, the number which is subtracted, that is called subtrahend. That is called subtrahend. Yes, and the most important word, the answer of the subtraction. The answer of the subtraction. Now this the subtraction sum we have done, and the answer of this is called difference. This is called difference. Yes, now one more important thing, that whenever we have to do subtraction, then always bigger number minus smaller number. Always bigger number minus smaller number. Yes, so we can say minuend is a bigger number and subtrahend is always a smaller number, because when we have to do subtraction, then always it is possible when we are writing bigger number firstly and minus we are doing smaller number. So we can say minuend is always bigger number and subtrahend is always a smaller number. and whatever the answer we will get after doing the subtraction, that is called difference. That is called difference. Yes, now this was the basic things for the subtraction. Now let's move to the sums relating to the subtraction. Yes friends, in your book, firstly we are going to start from the exercise 3.1. Yes, here we can see the first sum is there, subtract by crossing out. Subtract by crossing out. And the A part is there, we have to do subtract 76 from 296. 76 from 296. Here you can see on the book the sum is already arranged, ones, tens, 100. Firstly 296 is written, then 76. Why? Because bigger number minus smaller number. Firstly minuend, then subtrahend, then the answer we will get, that is difference. Yes, now we have to do the subtraction by crossing out. So how we will do? Firstly we will start from the ones place. Firstly we will start from the ones place. 6 minus 6, and here you can see in the ones place box you can see 6 ones are there. Now we have to do subtraction 6 minus 6. So we have to cross 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now all the boxes, all the small boxes are crossed. Yes, now what left? Here left only 0. Yes, because all these were 6 and all the 6 are crossed because we have to subtract 6. Yes, so this is 0. 6 minus 6, this is 0. Then we will move to next place, that is tens place. 9 minus 7, and here you can see 9 tens are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And from these 9 tens we have to subtract 7 tens. Means 7 tens will be crossed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7s are crossed. Now what left? These 2 left. So here 9 minus 7 we will get 2. Yes, now the next box is of 100 place. Here 2 hundreds are there, and here under the 100 we can see nothing is written. Nothing means here will be 0. Here will be 0. Nothing means 0. So 2 minus 0 means nothing we have to cross from here. Then what will be there? Only 2 will be left. So here we can get the difference of 220. As we will complete this sentence, 296 minus 76, we got 220. Yes, now let's do C part. Let's do C part. In the same way we will do C part. The question is 123 from 349. The students, I have left this part for you. You will do this sum by yourself. Okay? Yes. Now 123 from 349. We can see that this number is bigger, so it will be the minuend. 349 minus 123. We will start our subtraction from the ones place. Yes, from the ones place. 9 minus 3. 9 boxes are there and we have to cross on 3. Let's see what left. We have to cross on 3. 1, 2, 3. Now see how many are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here we will write 6. Now next we will move to tens place. 4 tens. Yes, from the 4 tens we have to subtract 2 tens. Now here you can see 4 tens are there and we have to cross out 2 tens. Then how many are left? Here left 2. Here left 2 tens. Yes, now let's move to 100 place. From 300 we have to cross 100. These are the 300s and we have to cross 100. Then how many are left? 200s are left. So here it is 2. So we got 226. Yes, 349 minus 123, we got 226. Yes, like this we have completed this subtraction sentence. Now let's see D part. here is 280 from 498. 498 is bigger, so 498 will be the minuend. Yes, and the smaller is 280, so it is the subtrahend. Yes, now here we will start from the ones place. We will start from the ones place. Yes, in this ones place we can see 8 is there. 8 boxes are there, and from here we have to cross nothing. 0 means nothing. कुछ भी नहीं क्रॉस करना हमने. Yes, अगर कुछ भी नहीं क्रॉस करना then only these 8 will left. So here we will write 8. Now let's move to tens place. Here we can see 9 is there. From 9 tens we have to cross 8 tens. Here 9 tens are given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 tens are given and we have to cross 8 tens. Then what left? Only 1 10. So here we will write 1. Now let's move to 100 place. Here from the 400s we have to cross 200s. Here we can see 400s are there and we have to cross 200s. Then how many hundreds left? 200s left. So here we will write 2. 498 minus 280, we got 218 as the difference. 218 is the difference. Yes, now let's do next sums. These are very easy sums. Yes, here 5 minus 3. From 5 we have to subtract 3. When we will do subtraction we will get 2. Yes, and here 7 minus 1 we will get 6. Here is nothing, so we will put 1 0. 2 minus 0, it will be 2. So here we got 262 as the difference. Now B part you will do by yourself. I am going to tell you C part. Here is 0 minus 0. It is 0. 0 minus 0, again 0. 6 minus 2, here it will be 4. Yes, now D part. Yes, what is there in that part? 7 minus 0. 7 minus 0, 0 means nothing. Means हमने कुछ भी नहीं subtract करना है. There is 7 और 7 में से हमने कुछ भी नहीं subtract करना है. So here it will be 7 only. Then 3 minus 2, here will be 1. Then 5 minus 3, here will be 2. So we got 217 as the difference. Yes, after that E part you will do by yourself. I am going to tell you F part. Here from the ones place we will start the subtraction. 9 minus 4, here it will be 5. 9 minus 4, here it will be 5. 5 minus 5, here it will be 0. 3 minus 1, it will be 2. It will be 2. Yes. After that I am going to tell you H part. Yes, from this part 5 minus 2, it is 3. 8 minus 4, 4. 7 minus 5, 2. So here we got 243 as the difference. Yes students, these are the very easy and interesting sums. So you can do these sums with great accuracy. Yes. J part. 6 minus 1, 5. 9 minus 2, 7. 7 minus 5, 2. So here we got 275 as the difference. Now the last part I am going to tell you. Yes, 9 minus 8, here is 1. 8 minus 1, here is 7. 9 minus 8, again 1. So here we got 171 as the difference. So students, now I have left B part, E part and G, I part and K part. These parts you have to do by yourself, others I have done. The parts that I have done, you have to do the practice of those also. Yes, with this my blessings are with you. Thanks and have a beautiful day ahead. God bless you.